Hey, Kool-Aid!
Oh yeah. Do you remember we used to drink this when we were kids?
Oh, I love that stuff.
Well, now I'm gonna make a strawberry Kool-Aid pie.
You telling me you could make a pie out of Kool-Aid?
Yes, right here on Soul Food TV Fun Recipes.
Well, let's go.
Okay, first we're gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk into our bowl. One package of strawberry Kool-Aid, which I'm using for mine, but you're welcome to use cherry, orange, grape, whatever flavor you would like your pie to be. I'm gonna blend it first on low speed. Now, let's add the Cool Whip. This is 1 bowl of Cool Whip. I'm gonna blend it on low. Now let's bring our pie crust over here. Using a chocolate pie crust because chocolate and strawberries go together so well. Lid on. Now let this sit in the refrigerator for an hour, and then we're going to add fresh strawberries on top. When we're ready to serve it, we're going to add some whipped cream on top. Yes, it smells really good. Here we go. Yummy, yummy, going into the refrigerator. Our centerpiece strawberry here.
For all you chocolate strawberry lovers, here's a side tip. You can go ahead and put it into a glass, add some fresh strawberries on top. Also, if you have chocolate crust left over, you could go ahead and mash that into the custard that you just made. It makes this delicious, beautiful dessert. That's very delicious. It's got chocolate and strawberries. This tastes so good. It's gonna make you say, "This is Kool-Aid?" Well, let's go see how the pie turned out.
Okay, it's been 2 hours now, and now we're going to check on our strawberry Kool-Aid pie. Oh, look at that. Can't wait to take the lid off. Wow, look at that. Looks really, really nice. I like how it's firm, strawberries set in there for a while, and now it smells really good, and I can't wait to taste it. And we're gonna have our strawberry Kool-Aid pie taste testers. So stay tuned, I'm going in. Hi. Hello. All right, let's go on in. All right, ladies, put your hands on the Pop-Tarts. Are you guys gonna tell us the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Let's have some taste testing.
I'm gonna try everything together.
how did you like the pie?
It was good.
All right. How did you like the pie?
Bussin'.
It was buzzing. Right, all right. And how did you like the pie, contestant number 3?
It was good.
All right. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome.
I'd like to send out a thank you to Tim for sending us this recipe. And thank you ladies for being our taste testers.
Bye.